How to fix iPhone emails not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Now, open the Mail app and refresh the app by simply swiping down and see if that fixes your issue. If not, in the Mail app itself, make sure that the unread filter is not enabled. To ensure, make sure the little icon you see on the bottom left of your screen is not enabled, and if it is, then disable the unread filter icon. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and navigate to the Mail option. Tap on that and then tap on the account that's causing the issue. You will then see the delete option. Tap on that and delete the account, and further tap on the add account option you see there and re-enter your account credentials. Once entered, select the apps you want to sync and tap on the save button, and with this the account will be added again, and by now your email should be working just fine. So this is how you can fix iPhone emails not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.